Yo, what's up guys? Let me show you what I have been cooking for my project. And then the project, as you may already notice, is Apex Sensei. The whole purpose of this platform is to help Salesforce professionals to learn coding, enhance their career by improving their coding skills, development in Salesforce org, as well as get to know more like real based scenarios that are already in the ecosystem. So it's very helpful for students. It's very helpful for people who are trying to transition from business analyst or admin roles in Salesforce to like more development to Salesforce ecosystem, right? So that's what it is. And then you can access the platform by going to www.apexsensei.com, and that's where you land. So let me show you. I'm gonna go and start my registration, and my name is Firoz Hanov. We will just use testgmail.com. You don't need to verify your email, right? It's just for MVP product, so you're good to register with any email, ideally something existing, so it will be helpful for me to, for the future, improve and send you like once this product is fully out with all the features. So anyways, if you are lazy or don't want to create an account, feel free just to use the one which I'm just creating right now, and then you can, my password will be like just easy, 1 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So if you want to go and test it out for yourself, you can go and check it out, the platform on your own without creating an account. Anyways, without further ado, once you log in, you're able to see this section, which is like a dashboard of the platform, and you can see how it welcomes you. You have a total amount of like points, challenges you completed, streaks, how many times a day you are logging in and checking. You have like achievement section. Depending how many challenges you solve, you get to have more achievements. It's just to inspire people to get working the platform. You have more like level, right? You can go to the profile and actually log in with Salesforce, which is like a crazy integration I have been working on. And I will tell you more about this part because for people who are not in Salesforce yet, this is something that will be clear, but in the long term, I will explain the whole purpose. This week, I actually had the chance to integrate Salesforce with my platform. Anyways, so let's go back to dashboard, right? We have a learning path, all the learning paths you can go through, and then let's say if you want to learn about Apex fundamentals, you can click on it. I think it's still not working properly. Anyways, but let me show, it will take you to the challenger section. The challenger section will show you all the challenges I have for you to do, and you can also like do filtering, right, based on difficulty, progress, category, based on the things you want to work on. Let's say you want to work on a SQL, which is like a SQL for Salesforce world, right? You have a triggers, it's for automation and coding, but we will be just focusing on fundamentals, basic, and it's always going to be free for people to start learning and develop their Apex skills. So once they click on Start Challenge, that's where you logging in, and on the left section you will see like a quick overview of the task, and then also like challenge itself, examples, and as well as hints in case you are facing some issues, right? So there's once you type your code and you click, you can run the test in order to pass the challenge, right? But for this part, I also want to show you a couple more things, which is, let's just go ahead and let's try to run actually. Okay, let's run. So as you can see, it's still running the code, whatever you have like a first name, last name, and then you have a system debug. This is the way you like basically output, and it's actually showing fine, but this is just a mock. The real execution of the data can be done if you're logging to the actual Salesforce. which takes me to the part where I did the integration, right, with Salesforce org. Let's click actually to this part, login with Salesforce, which will take you to the dev org. So I'm on this exercise part. It's basically intro to variables, and then the challenge is to create 3 variables. One string with hello value, and then you have like a integer and then boolean. So I went ahead and actually create those 3 variables, and now I'm gonna just be printing them out. Let's just do it here. Greeting and year, and then the last one is learning. We're gonna paste it here. Let's just run to see what's the execution. As you can see on the bottom, you see the message, hello world, true. Let's just comment this one, and this time just run the test. Successful. Sweet. So we actually completed this challenge. We followed the rules, we learned what variables are. So and if you're stuck, you just can click hints, right? So that part. Anyways, there's some more stuff. You can reset this, right? But once you go back, you can see this one is solved because it's in a green color. It's completed now. It automatically will go and give you the points. And then once you go to leaderboard, it will show you like the amount of points you have, and basically you're competing against other people, and which is amazing, right? Because it encouraged you to like be better, improve yourself, and so that's something one I want to show. You also have a community, which is like it's still like under development. I'm still working on it. Release notes, I will tell you more about this part in the future. I don't want to take much of your time. But the most important part is to help you guys learn coding, specifically for Salesforce development and Apex, Trigger, automation, anything related to Salesforce. So happy coding, guys. Go ahead and register. Help me out with any bugs or any issues you define or find out. This will help me a lot with my development. And I really appreciate your time, guys. Hopefully I will see you again. Thank you.